So right now you have a listing that maybe needs a little bit of love or maybe a lot of love with
Yeah,
it. We have what's called our renovation program, and it can be owner occupied, it can be non-owner occupied, and there's certain restrictions there.
sure.
The great part of it is that basically we can borrow extra for the updates that need to be done. A couple things on that. We're going to want work to be done by licensed contractors. At this moment in time, they don't allow for any self-help. They did allow that in the past, but the issue that people were getting these loans and they weren't completing the project, so thus putting us in a really tough position. We
Yeah,
borrowed funds for the work to be done, and the work was not getting done. So
sure.
any work would need to be done by licensed contractors. And there's certain specifics as far as if we're going to get into any type of structural issues, we may need a HUD consultant. If we're talking with regards to, roofing, some HVAC, some flooring, some painting, some electrical work, then I say, let's go for it. There's a lot of intricacies with this loan program. And I'm not trying, I say that not to scare people away, but in essence, we just want to make sure that everything is accounted for. So typically, what we do is they were going to work with you as far as what they would get the house for, such as an accepted offer.
Yeah,
And then the updates would be on top of that. So you have your purchase price here, and then whatever you need, let's say if it's 15 or 20,000, that would be on top of that. And that's what we're going to lend off of. So it's going to be one loan. And
okay.
the nice part of this is with the sellers, all that work is going to be done after closing.
Okay.
So therefore, in essence, they're going to work real closely with our renovation department to be able to get the funds to do the work. A great story we recently had: a customer purchased their house for about 175,000. She borrowed an extra 15,000 to get some HVAC done, to get some electrical work done. I think she put even a new central air in, fixed
Oh,
the roof, and by the time when she was done with it, the house was worth over 200,000. So she
mhm,
had some instant equity built up right away, and she borrowed those funds to get those items fixed.
right.
Had she bought the house and not used the renovation loan, she wouldn't have been able to afford all of those fixes.